So here's how to join a Google Meet on the Android phone. Let me show you how it works. And if you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course, make sure you have the Google Meet app installed on your Android device. So just look it up within the Google Play Store. Make sure you get it. And even if there is like a new update available, just update it to the latest version so you are on the like latest features and everything that it should work will work. So yeah, just do that, and then you can open it up, sign in with your Google account. You can use any of your existing Gmails to sign in, and you can start using the app, right? So what can you do in this case? Now, inside of the Google Meet, you can either create your own meeting, so you can tap on a new and perhaps tap on some of the contacts so you can call them directly, or set up a link which is going to be shared with others. And if you didn't create the link yourself, then probably someone else has shared the link with you, because it works on this like link basis. So even if I have it somewhere saved in my notes or in the email or literally anywhere else, I can just open up that link. It's going to open it through the Meet app, and I can join that meeting. So it's actually very useful because I can just, join any conversation there as long as I'm invited and I have the link, right? So I can click on it like so, click on a join, and I'll basically be able to just connect over the video call. So of course there are so many other features which you might be interested in, and so many like backgrounds and stuff, but yeah, the most common or basic way to join it is exactly as I've shown you right now. So let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll catch you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.